You may have heard me talk about the WF-1000XM5s and how they are Sony's best in-ear noise-canceling earbuds ever. But don't just take my word for it. In 60 seconds, let me show you how to completely customize your noise-canceling experience. Start the timer. All right, let's split the screen and make things a little easier for you to follow along. Download the Headphone Connect app. If you have it already, well, then let's open it up. Click on the Sound tab and you will now be able to control the ambient sound level and completely customize your noise canceling experience. There are 20 levels of ambient sound adjustment, so you can block out or hear whatever you want. Pretty cool. If you check that little box right there, right there, we're gonna circle it. You can now turn on filter voice pass-through while suppressing other noise. Now, I like that. And if you just want some peace and quiet, click on that sound tab once again and press noise canceling. That's gonna give you the best noise canceling experience that Sony has ever made.